Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize interactive learning with Kahoot detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin optimizing interactive learning with Kahoot, start by creating a Kahoot account if you haven't already. Visit the Kahoot website and click on the Sign Up button. Choose the appropriate account type, such as for teachers, students, or personal use. After registering, log into your account and navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create button to start making your first Kahoot quiz. Select the type of quiz or learning game you want to create, such as a multiple-choice quiz or a true/false game. Enter a compelling title for your game that resonates with your audience. Next, add engaging questions that align with your learning objectives. Use clear and concise language, and ensure the questions vary in difficulty. Incorporate images or videos into your questions to enhance engagement. Set a time limit for each question to keep the gameplay dynamic. Once you have all your questions added, review your Kahoot for any necessary adjustments. Save your game and choose to either host it live or assign it for homework. When ready to host, click on the play button and select your preferred game mode. Share the game pin with your participants so they can join from their devices. Encourage discussions before and after each question to promote deeper understanding. Monitor participant engagement in real time to see how well they are grasping the material. After the game, review the results to identify areas for improvement in your teaching approach. Use student feedback to refine future Kahoot games for better effectiveness. This approach will help create a more immersive and optimized interactive learning experience using Kahoot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.